Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Sonic Unleashed in PC. But before that, if you don't know what is Sonic Unleashed, it is a 2008 action-adventure platform game developed by Sonic Team and published by Sega for multiple platforms including PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360, Nintendo Switch, and many more. And Sonic Unleashed stood out for its impressive graphics, engaging soundtrack, and introduction to the Hedgehog engine. And now to start installing or downloading this Sonic Unleashed, the next thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to this website in here, github.com, where you can simply copy and paste this kind of link in here. Upon clicking on it or going to this website, it will show you below the option and just click on the right side panel, the release button, in order to start downloading the latest version of this Sonic Unleashed. By clicking this version 1.03, you can click on it. You'll automatically be directed on this page, and below it will show you how you can start downloading or installing this Unleash of Sonic. Below it will show you some of the updates and notes, warning, and many more. But below, just simply go to the asset section and kindly choose here the file depending on your OS or operating system. We have here flatpak.zip or Windows zip. I'm going to choose this Windows zip for PC. By clicking on it, it will automatically be downloaded. But before you can use the downloaded file, make sure that you already has the Sonic Unleashed.iso file or even the DLC file or title updated to file in here, which are needed in installing the Sonic Unleashed in here in your PC. But now once done downloading this Unleashed file on your PC of Sonic, it will show in here the result upon extracting all the files in here. But again, make sure to also downloaded some other file including the DLC, title update 2, and even the Sonic Unleashed.iso file. But overall, that is just basically how you can download Sonic Unleashed in PC.